I have a very, very active lifestyle. I'm a retained firefighter. I'm on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always have to be armed and ready to go at all times, as well as my training. And I can honestly say that I never feel inadequately catered for on a vegan diet. I started running predominantly to raise funds for animal charities, and I started to win races, and I decided that the ultimate goal would be to run a marathon. I entered my first marathon in 2000 and I won it, and from there I just decided that this was a way forward to help more animals and to promote vegan diet. Training for a marathon is not just about going out and running endless miles. It's about doing speed work, it's about doing a lot of endurance work and coupling the two together. So you've got to be fast, but you've got to be fast over a long distance. So I personally, and everybody's different, train between about 80 and 100 miles a week. I have complete 100% faith that my diet will give me everything that my body needs to perform well. I certainly don't look at meat eaters and think I could perform any better if I ate meat. I've run 22 marathons and I always produce a good run, no matter what. When I'm at a race, people are quite surprised that I can do what I do on a vegan diet, and they say, "Why are you vegan?" And I would say to them, "Well, why aren't you? Because after all, I've just beaten you. So perhaps if you try my diet, you might be up there winning races too." And on one particular occasion, the person that presented me the award was the Lady Mayoress, and she actually said that her daughter had been wanting to go vegetarian for quite a few months. When my mum was able to tell her that I'd been vegetarian since tiny and vegan since a teenager, she was really overjoyed that there was a role model there that she could use. That's a bigger achievement for me, because that's somebody growing up, and then she's the future, and veganism is the future.
No alcohol, no weed, no cigarettes, no ease, no milk, no cheese, no eggs, no meat, just meditation and peace, red lentils, chickpeas, good workout, good sleep, more sunshine,